What is up, everyone? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Today, it's a very exciting day. We're picking up a new project, and by we, I mean me and Chris from Average Joe's Customs. I'm looking at our new project right now. Should we tell the people what the project is first, or should we roll the intro?
You know
what?
I say roll the intro.
I say let's go ahead and tell them.
Okay.
Today we're picking up a...
In a world full of cheap coilovers, tow hooks, and eBay turbos, one man set out to create a channel to educate, motivate, break things, fix those things that he broke, but most importantly, make the mistakes so you don't have to.
Mother...
Join him as he goes driving through life.
I got him. What are we picking up today, Chris?
We're picking up a sweet gem.
Sweet gem.
Sweet gem.
Let's turn and find out what she is. 1967 El Ford El Mustango. Ain't she pretty? This has a 350 block in it, 4-speed automatic trans. 351 Windsor. I apologize. I stand corrected.
He's a Chevy guy, guys. Don't get upset with him.
So there's going to be a Ford in my garage. Actually, technically, two Fords in my garage. Crazy times we live in. Interior, pretty decent. Newer door skins. We are going to do quite a few things to this, and we'll get a little bit more into that here in just a minute. All right, we are here with Brian. So we are picking up today this 67 Mustang from you. How long has it been in your family?
3-4 years.
3-4 years. They got a lot of pieces for it. We just took all the glass in, seats, etc. What all did you guys do to it?
We did the quarter panel. We did the trunk.
Cool.
We rebuilt the whole motor. Door skin. Pretty much the miscellaneous things to make the car complete.
Cool.
But we just didn't get to finish it.
Now this runs if you're willing to have someone walk next to it with a bucket in their hand, correct?
or the gas tank.
Or the gas tank. Well, we could
gas
use the gas tank.
Just sticks like, it runs, drives. You can have the gas tank in the passenger seat.
I could do that. Not
Cruise
that
it
I've
around.
never done that before.
Yeah.
Duke's a hazard.
It's a hazard.
It's better than sitting on a milk crate. Done that
You
shit before too.
start to drive. You can just drive around the block.
Sure. Yeah. No, that sounds like a lot of fun. I'm gonna hard pass on that because my insurance is about up. Who picked out these wheels?
The Inkies.
They're Inkies.
Those could be worth some money.
I'm gonna buy something and I'm gonna put those on it. Like, they're probably not staying on this car, but they're definitely staying in my garage. So you sad to see it go?
Yeah. Oh, most definitely.
We're picking this up. Is there gonna be anything that's gonna take its place? You're gonna buy another project?
It's going to the boat.
The boat.
It's going to the boat. Like, all this is going straight to the boat.
Okay.
We got a propeller already.
Oh snap.
I tell you. It wasn't just something that we just saw you should sell. It's like, it's going straight to the boat.
Straight to the boat. I like it. From one priority to another. Everybody will be happy, especially me and Chris, because we get the Mustang. I don't look good in a bikini anymore, so I need to stay off boats. Do you have any project cars that you want to do in the future?
Yeah, I actually want to get a WRX again. I used to have a WRX.
What year?
03, Bug Eye.
Nice. That's the only one I haven't had is a Bug Eye. Well, awesome. We're going to get this on that little ass trailer, and we're going to start towing this bad boy back to the homestead.
Exciting.
Thanks very much. You gonna keep talking to it? You gonna? All right. Rolled the beast in. Now this was outside for, I don't know, a little bit. How long have we been working on Jasmine?
It's been a week and a half.
Week and a half. So it's been sitting outside for, I don't know, a couple of weeks. I went through, I took some stuff out. I took like the trunk out, and I took the rear bumper out. Gas tank's ready to come out. It smells like ass. It's horrid. It's like really, really sweet. I didn't know that gas, like super old gas, could smell like that.
Like turpentine.
Like turpentine. Then on me on in on them there turpentine right in that little gold old rusted gas tank. Lots of rust here, but it's fine. All this is going. Shoop! And then we're going right there. And then we're gonna right there. And then we're gonna right there. And we're just gonna pop this shit off. Still gotta take out mirrors. Doors are fine. We can see almost Chris's shoe through the floorboard. There's the shoe right there. That bad boy's coming out. Yeah, that piece is over there somewhere. Motor, we're gonna go ahead and take out the motor and trans so that we can clean up the engine bay. Most of these panels are actually new, which is cool. So I already cut out the wiring harness. We're gonna do modern fuses. Firewall looks fine. Honestly, the front part of this car, like it looks like it's all brand new.
Yeah.
Pretty much. That's one thing we really liked. I mean, radiator support front. I mean, the whole damn thing's pretty much new on the front. And that's what we want. That's where we're keeping the front. Even this doesn't look too bad. These panels right here can be just blasted off, not rusted through or anything like that. The back panels, so these rear quarter panels, this one is new, obviously, because it's all black and stuff. We're not going to need it though, so that's kind of sad. Kind of sad, but not really sad. This one's jacked up, so that'll go to the dump. We're not sad about that at all. I'm looking forward to working on this one. This one, again, it's going to be a full teardown. Brand new trunk on it too. So again, that's going to waste. 2 instrument clusters right there. Boom! Right there. Dash is pretty intact. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. That floor pan over there has actually already had a patch thrown in. So that's cool. But yeah, this is what we look for. We look for stuff with a good front end.
Floor.
And a floor. That's nice. Floors are nice. If it has motor and trans, that's actually good too. So probably in the next episode of Lost Socket Garage, we'll start walking you through kind of exactly what we're doing, chopping the top, exactly what we're taking out, and then we'll take a look at the pieces that are actually going to be going in this car once everything is cut out. If I move it right there, it looks like my flag is giving you bunny ears. Chopped, baby. If you don't know those guys, check them out.
We need a name for this baby.
We need a name. That's actually a really good idea. We need a name, so drop in the comments below a name of what we should name this beast. What are your thoughts? Give me a name off the top of your head.
We've come up with Felicia.
Felicia.
So we
Yeah.
say bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia. That's right. So Felicia, that was one. Rhonda came to mind. I don't know why. Rhonda. I typically don't name a car until I drive it, but we can't drive this because it doesn't work right now. And if we rolled down the street in it, probably part of it would actually fall off. That'd be bad.
Yeah.
Put your names in the comments below. Your name ideas. I'll put it on Facebook too. Thanks y'all for watching. Like, subscribe. We're on Facebook, Lost Socket Garage. Check out our shop, lostsocketgarage.com, for some cool merch to support the show. Till next time, be happy, do what you love. Most importantly, keep on driving. Peace.